Ay,
Father, I am Jonah,
So-
plain verse leader po. Sige ma'am, tayo ka daw sabi ni Miss. I am Jonah.
So, I am Jonah, certified first aider. So, pwede ko po ba siyang i-assist?
Pwede ma'am. Kanina pa yung dyan eh. Namamalengke ako, tap the shoulder.
So,
Hey,
sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay?
one more time.
Sir, are you okay?
The patient is not
so-
okay ma'am, unresponsive po siya.
Opo.
So, yung paa niya, ma'am, yung kamay niya baka malumutan mo.
So, pwede pong patulong po ako habang ina-assist ko po
O
siya.
sige ma'am, paki-assess po.
Sige.
Check, 1,001.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Negative pulse, negative breathing
Opo,
po.
So, pa-assist na lang po ako, napatawag po ulit sa ambulansya.
Habang?
So, habang sin-CPR ko po siya.
O sige ma'am, start po ng CPR. Sige ma'am, yan po, isa dito po, ano yung po yung mabigay niyo. Start po. Sige ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 10. Okay, ventilate po. Okay, tulungan niyo siya mamabilang para tutulungan din niya. Kaya mamaya ako napapasok para sa ano na siya. Hindi na po kung sa siya papasok. Okay, Etil, pinch nose. Okay, open the mouth. Open na yung mouth mo ma'am. Sa mo yung mouth niya. Okay, taas mo yan. Ma'am, One and two. Okay, compress na naman po. Compress, hayaan mo na yung kanyang mukha. Sige ma'am, compress. O sige ma'am, compress. Okay, sige ma'am. Second na ma'am.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, ventilate po. Okay. 1 and 2. Compress again. Diretso.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, ventilate po. 1 and 2. Another ventilation.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2,
Pasok,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Diyan, nasa lapit sa kanya. Huwag mo ilagay sa paa niya, ma'am, yung kutsina. Okay, sa gitna lang, ma'am, ventilate po. Ma'am, kilakabit mo yan. 1 and 2. Yun sa isang dibdib, ma'am. Tulong kayong dalawa. Nasaan po ang iyong gloves, ma'am? Okay, nasa ang gloves mo, ma'am? Okay. Ma'am, paano yan? Dito po yan. Yan. Sige, ma'am. What is your name? State your name, Ma'am Gina.
I'm Gina Romantico.
I'm a second responder.
I'm the second responder.
Can I do? Compress the patient?
Compress the patient.
Okay, start. Okay, nasa ma'am yung iyong ganyan. Okay, assist na ma'am. Ayan, nakakalimutan nyo. Sabi ko, presence of mind. Hindi kayo mag-panic because panic is person are not informed correctly. Okay, start.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18,
Ma'am,
19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, ventilate. Ma'am, proper position. Center of the shoulder. Yan pa, ma'am. Nandiyan na sa ulo. Okay. Closer to ma'am, kay patient. Pero make sure na yan. Sige ma'am, ventilate. Tilt, pinch nose. Huwag mong hawakan ng leeg. Huwag mong sinasakal yan ma'am. Huwag mong hawakan ng leeg. Okay. Ma'am, Sakupin mo yung mouth niya. 1 and 2, one more time. 1 and 2, sige, compress. Compress, ma'am. Hindi kita titigilan. Hanggang ma'am, compress. Okay, compress. Okay, ma'am, and turn up your hands. Okay, center of the chest, heel of the palm, diretso, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Wait.
10.
Okay, start. Lean forward. Okay, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gina bilang. 14, 15, 16, 17, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, head tilt. Ito muna, pinch the nose, then open mo yung mouth mo, sakupin yung mouth niya.
Yun.
Okay, compress.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3.
1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, another compression.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4.
Okay. Check for the carotid pulse. Look, listen, and feel. Count. 1,001.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
Okay, the patient has a pulse or none? Positive pulse,
Presence.
pulse and positive breathing.
Positive
How about
pulse.
the first leader? Exhausted?
Yes.
Okay, do the recovery position. Katulad ng ginawa ko kanina, yung isa hihiga. Ikaw, ma'am, ang hihiga. Sige, ma'am.
Tanggalin po yung
Tanggalin mo yung ano mo.
Para doon sila sa tabi mamaya. Okay. Mamaya, hindi na kayo hihiga din dapat sa mga. Okay, ma'am. Sige lang, ma'am. Nandiyan ka na. Okay, start. Nandiyan ka na eh. Okay, ma'am. Sige, position. Position, ma'am. Okay. Paano, ma'am? Hindi, ma'am. Dapat, ma'am, nandito ka sa... In between mo ng legs mo yung shoulder ni ma'am. In between ng legs mo, kneel down. Kneel on the ground. Kneel on the ground. Okay. Taas mo yung isang kamay na malapit sa'yo. Yung malapit, taas mo, ma'am. Yan, ma'am. Okay. And then, ito, ma'am. Okay. I-cross mo yung kanyang legs. Kung saan, ma'am, ito ng doon niya nakakross yung isang legs. Okay. Okay. The other one, grab. Ma'am, dyan mo yun yan. Huwag mo itutulak yan dito sa akin.
Sayo, sayo.
Sa'yo mo may papunta. Kaya nga lamig ka. Ito, grab the shoulder. Grab the hip. Mabigat talaga yan, ma'am. 1, 2, and 3. Procedure. Okay. Check. No dots, deformities, open wounds, and tenderness. Okay.